Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you 4 simple hairstyles that look great with minimal effort, and I promise you this time, these are truly quick and easy, so let's get started. So I wanted to keep it real with you guys. I didn't do my hair today. This is left over from yesterday, but what I always do is I like to freshen up with some dry shampoo. So today I'm going to be using KLORANE's, oh, it's all in French. Here we go. Dry shampoo with NETTLE. I love this one. And if you aren't currently using any dry shampoos, I'll link my favorites down below, but I'm just going to generously spray this throughout the crown of my head, and this is just gonna help add instant volume and freshen up my hair. Then just work it in with your fingers, and guys, look at that. Instant volume. So I'm just going to turn around and let's get started on the first hairstyle. This first hairstyle is great to help get your hair out of your face. So gather all of the hair that's above your temples. I like to leave down hair to cover my ears to give it a more effortless appearance. Once sectioned off, just secure with a hair elastic, and on the last loop, instead of pulling your hair all the way through, make a bun, and feel free to make yours smaller than mine. Now, take your ends and begin loosely wrapping them around your hair elastic, and then tuck the ends of your hair into the elastic to hold them into place. And if your ends are still poking out, you can use some bobby pins to tuck them away. Then I love to loosen up the hairstyle by pulling on small sections to give it a more lived-in appearance. And that's it, a simple knotted half-up hairstyle that is perfect for spring. Next up is one of my go-to buns because I always see top models wearing their hair like this. So just gather all of your hair into a sleek, tight, low ponytail. Now divide your ponytail down the middle into 2 equal sections. Grab your left section and begin tightly twisting it clockwise. And as you're twisting it, begin wrapping it clockwise around your ponytail. And continue until you reach the ends of your hair, and then just secure it in place with some bobby pins. Now taking your right section, twist this one counterclockwise, and as you're twisting it, begin wrapping it counterclockwise around the previous twist until you reach your ends. And then same thing, secure it into place with some bobby pins. And then pull out some small sections to frame your face, and you're done. The perfect model off-duty bun, perfect to get your hair up off your neck during those warmer months. This next hairstyle I always seem to get complimented on, and I think it's because it's so simple. So grab your side sections as large or as small as you like and loosely twist them away from your face. And then tie them together, just like the first step of tying a shoe. Once tied together, insert 2 bobby pins to secure the knot to your head, and again, loosen it up for a more effortless appearance. And that's it, a simple yet cute way to pull your hair up out of your face during those warmer months. You guys aren't going to believe how simple yet beautiful this ponytail is. So first, section off all of the hair in front of your ears on both sides of your head and place them out of the way. Once they're sectioned off, gather the rest of your hair into a tight ponytail, as low or as high as you like. And one of my favorite ways to add volume to a hairstyle without having to tease it is just to pull on small sections of hair around the crown of your head. Next, grab your right section of hair and loosely twist it away from your face, and then bring it up and across the back of your head over your ponytail and just pin it underneath it for now. Then repeat the same steps on the left side, twisting it away from your face and then bringing it over your ponytail and bobby pinning it into place underneath. And if you want this to be extra secure, go ahead and remove those bobby pins and secure those 2 sections together with a hair elastic underneath your ponytail. And that's it. I love this ponytail. I think it's so beautiful and it's perfect for any occasion this spring. You guys, I am loving this ponytail. It is giving me major spring vibes. I would love if you commented down below and let me know which look was your favorite. And if you liked today's video and want to see more easy hair tutorials, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already so you don't miss any other hair tutorials. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.